Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to teach you the how to solve CSWA drawing and assembly question, right? So as I opened, the first is the question which is about the drafting, and here you can see the question is to create a drawing view B, it is necessary to sketch a spline on a drawing view A and insert which Solidworks view type. So as you can see, A and B, how it is relatable. It cannot be section, it is not the projection as well, and it is not isometric, definitely not. So what is that? It is the crop view. Okay, and now next we are going to see that part is cutting from some depth over here. We will find out which section is there. Align section is not, detail is also not, because that will be in a circular. Section is not, broken out section is there. How can we prove? Okay, for that I have one part and I have made the drawing from it. Now let's try the broken out section view. In the broken out section, if you select, then you will have the sketch option where you can sketch randomly like that, and you can select any reference point. Let's say I am selecting this edge and I am preview. As you can see, this part is cutting from here, right? And this is the reference showcase in the side view. So if you do it this one, then you will have the part cut off. Okay, just like that in drawing showing. So that's how you can prove that this is the broken out section view. Now we will move on to the first question about the crop view. How we can derive that this is crop view. For that we have to sketch first. Let's say I'm sketching like something like this, and okay, so I have sketched, okay, one circle. Now I want to convert it into the crop view, right? So you can go to the crop view and select the sketch and select the part. Please sketch the close the sketch circle in the drawing to view create the crop view. Okay, wait, so something is missing over here. Let's say I'm creating over here crop view. Okay, I have to sketch after the selecting the crop view, then only I can manage to okay. Crop view. Like that you can do the crop view. Okay, you can make it a circle and it will be in a crop position. So as you can see, this is the crop portion. Now coming to the this part we have already done in the previous tutorials. So for this kind of assembly, what you can do, you have to define this one center of mass of the assembly, right? You have to find the coordinates. So how do you assemble that? I will just teach you how to assemble, and then you can find your final answer. I am closing this one. Okay, now coming to the chain and long pin and short pin. Okay, I am copying this path and open one. Okay, in the assembly I have to do, so first select the assembly and you can just select the part and three components. Okay, footworks measure. Okay, first, second and third. Now if you go to the paper, that first pin is fixed. Okay, so I will make it a fixed, and then one pin over here, this is the fixed part, so I'll make it a float assembly and go to the mate where you can select the mate like that, and this surface will be okay. Then you will have this part which is having the pin. You can just drag it off 1, 2 and 3, right? Oh no, now you can just select this portion. Also you can use the width mate or the coincident mate for this kind of mates. Done. Pin over here, Like that you can assemble by yourself each part concentric, and you can make this part like that, as you can see. Now you can give it the angle whatever you want in this reference of the angle, and you can just give the whatever degree you want to give, you can give the degree, and accordingly you can solve the problem. If you have any doubt in this assembly or drawing, you can just ping me in the comments, or ping us on the Instagram. We will surely definitely clear your doubts, and please bring down your suggestions in the comment section so that I can make future videos on it, right? So that's all for the video. Thank you so much. Keep loving, keep sharing, and keep learning.